work that we've been doing. So Processing Collapse is a public art project about extinction and forest decline that is made for public libraries. Our work really began with ash, with the regional collapse of ash trees due to the ash borer, which arrived in the US on untreated shipping materials and woke up to a feast of trees that could not defend themselves. And like noticing that loss as a really meaningful, really relevant thing, feeling that something needed to be done, there needed to be a way to mark that loss and not to just sort of blow past it. That's where this work really began. And it's expanded to looking at historic collapses like American chestnut, new threats to other species like beech and eastern hemlock. But we'll be talking a little bit more specifically about ash today. And
complex, and then fall honey, which is like goldenrod and buckwheat and everything.
Yeah. I'm still my main
Here,
course.
I'll pass it along.
Okay.
I have this bit.
Okay.
And can you